Hi guys, my name's Jamelia and I love my natural. My name's Jamelia Donaldson and I'm the founder of Tress and the Teen Experience. In my teen years, I used to straighten my hair literally every 2 weeks. So I would wash my hair with shampoo, then blow dry it, then apply an oil and then straighten. Like no deep conditioning, no conditioner, no leave-in conditioner, no heat protectant, no nothing. Which meant that my hair was literally fried by the time I was like 18, which meant that no matter what I'd done, it would just still remain straight. And then a bit before that, I went to a hairdresser to get my hair trimmed, and she washed my hair and she was like, "You've got such a lovely texture, why don't you just leave it how it is?" And I was like, "What do you mean, leave it how it is? Like, what can I do with my hair when it's straight, when it's in its natural state?" And she was like, "Go online and research it." But I didn't really do that immediately. I just kept straightening it. And then I eventually did go on YouTube and I googled like how black girls grow long hair, how to grow long afro hair, how to grow long curly hair, and then I discovered the natural hair community. From then on, I stopped using straighteners and heat altogether. I decided to air dry my hair. I started doing braid outs a lot, which looked absolutely awful because my hair was so stringy. Buns. I've done a lot of protective styling in order to grow out my hair and allow the heat damage to eventually grow out and me to continue trimming it so that it was all the way gone. The main thing for me, without a doubt, is deep conditioning. Like, deep conditioning has transformed my hair. So I deep condition religiously on either a Friday night or a Saturday night. Everyone asks what my favorite deep conditioner is, and I don't have one particular one. Like, whichever one is in the Tress box is the one that I'm going to use. But some of my favorites are Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mask and the Shea Moisture Weightless Moisture Fruit Fusion Mask. So those are two of my faves, as well as Activilon's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mask actually. But deep conditioning my hair transformed the health of my hair and like just allowed it to gradually improve in its health. And then leave-in conditioners, I didn't even know what they were. I didn't know that they needed to be used. I didn't know that they had a purpose. But then once I discovered them, applying them every day or every other day definitely helps my hair. Oil, not so much, just because my hair is really fine, so it gets weighed down really easily. But deep conditioners and leave-in conditioners for sure. Like once a year, maybe twice a year. But literally by day 2, I'm like, what do I even do with this? Like, do I keep it down? Do I put it up? Do I put it in a bun? Like, I don't know what to do with it. And I don't really like it that much either. Like, I get a craving to do it, and then once I do it, it's such an anti-climax because I'm like, now what do I do with my hair? So the front, funny story, at the Teen Experience brunch in April, I leant over one of the candles and my hair set alight.
Oh my god.
So this fringe is not intentional. This is the shortest part of my hair now, I think. This is Tress. And it's a monthly subscription box for women and girls with naturally kinky curly hair. So every month we give you a new selection of products to try for your hair. This month was a takeover by a friend of mine, and also the co-founder of the Teen Experience, Hair and Timber, and it's her takeover box. So the box is full of products that she loves. So on the flip side is a breakdown of how to use the products, because we get a lot of questions from women like, okay, I've got all of these products, how do I use them? So we literally walk them step by step their wash day. One of the brands inside this month's box is a Parisian brand called Phyto, and they gave everyone 10% off if they use the code TRESS10. It has one of my favourite conditioners in it, the Shea Moisture Weightless Hair Mask, Phyto specific baobab oil. So this oil alone is £24 and the box itself is £20. I was so impressed with this product because it comes in a glass bottle and it can be used on your hair and your body. K2 is one of Simone's favourite brands, and this is one of her favourite leave-in conditioners. So as I said, leave-in conditioners definitely helped with my hair journey. And then there's a shampoo. I should have done this in wash day order. Phyto specific butter. So predominantly shea butter is one of the main ingredients here. This is great for like sealing your ends, which is something that I didn't used to do either. And then a travel size KayAmoah leave-in, because I know this is the time of year when everyone's going on holiday, including myself. I literally took this with me last weekend when I went to Paris, and it was like the only hair product that I brought with me. Last but not least, Design Essentials. Their mousse, which is one of Simone's favourite mousses, their shampoo and their leave-in, which everyone really enjoyed from our March box. So you can get your Treasure Tress boxes from www.treasuretress.co.uk. And when you arrive on our website, use discount code K10 to get 10% off your first box. But once you sign up, you pay £20 plus postage and packaging, and every month we'll give you a new range of products to try. So it can be the full wash day lineup from one brand, or it can be a combination box like this one, which gives you the chance to try loads of different brands. But the great thing is that we'll provide you with everything that you need to complete your wash day. So also, as part of Treasure Tress, when we first started, our main focus was young girls, and we used to hold these afternoon teas with mums and daughters called the Mini Me Afternoon Tea Party. And then we noticed that there were so many natural hair events for adults, which I loved going to, but then I realised that teenagers and girls that subscribe to our tween box were completely left stranded because they don't necessarily want to go to the hair shows that their mums go to. They're too old to go to the Mini Me ones. So we thought, why don't we start a series of workshops for teen girls? So it's a natural hair event, but with a bit more substance and purpose, because we touch on natural hair, we touch on makeup and beauty, but we also touch on self-esteem, careers, financial management, mental health, physical health, loads and loads of different topics. So once a month from April to October, we have these workshops in various different locations. I think that the main thing to remember is that it's your hair. It's up to you what you do, but I think that it's always fun to explore natural beauty, explore what you've been God-given, and just have fun with it. Don't take it too seriously. Experiment with products, experiment with styles, swap products with your friends, swap tips with your friends, but all in all, have fun and just celebrate being the true you.
So I hope you guys enjoyed Jamelia's story on her natural hair journey and also about her businesses as well. I hope you guys will support and go and get your box. I'm so excited about this June box.
I love it, honestly.
It looks amazing. I was just getting so excited when she was going through the products. But yeah, so make sure you guys check her out on Instagram. I'll leave it below, and also check out her website. And I think you have an Instagram for the teen experience, and also...
Yeah. So Treasure Tress is at Treasure Tress and at Treasure Tress Box on Facebook.
Okay.
And then the Teen Experience is at the Teen Experience on Instagram.
Okay, great. So I'll have those all linked on the screen so you guys can check her out there. Thanks so much for coming down.
Thank you so much for having me. I brought you a gift in addition to the box.
Can you guys see? I got a gift, guys.
And then I know you're on your natural hair journey. Yeah. Oh. So a t-shirt, a length check tee, because I know you're on your growth journey.
Thanks. I don't think I reached a line
I feel like you will reach a line more. I feel like you will.
Hopefully. Oh, this is cute. Thank you. And can people get these as well?
Yeah, they're on our online store. So if you go on treasuretress.co.uk and go to our store page, then you'll see our tees, and we have another design as well.
Oh, okay, great. Grab your length check t-shirts, guys, if you're on your journey as well. Thanks so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and also the other videos in the Love My Natural series. If you did, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and
stay blessed.